Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Zerodha account is active and bank-linked. Do this now so you can place orders immediately. Once done, log into Kite on web or the app and set up two-factor authentication for safety. Make a small initial fund transfer to ensure margins and leverage work. This both tests payments and prevents failed orders. You'll be ready to search instruments and build watch lists as soon as these essentials are confirmed. Now you'll pick the stock or derivative and study its order book and recent candles before acting. Select an order type, mark it for instant fills, limit to control price, SL or SLM for stops. Then specify quantity and product type like MIS for intraday or NRML for carry. Once set, preview charges and margins, confirm the order. Make sure to apply order rules for partial fills, and use the Kite chart tools to finally you'll manage open positions. Use exit orders, modify stops, or place cover orders to limit downside. Monitor P&L in real time. Once positions close, reconcile trades in the console and download contract notes for records. If something goes wrong, an order rejected or not executing, first confirm available margin and product type, then check your network and Kite session. If unresolved, check exchange status and contact Zerodha support with order ID for a swift resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.